morning
Good morning, Harry.
หนูอยากเรียน
Good morning, Item. Good morning. Hello. Good morning,
Hello.
Ka. Good morning, Ka.
Good morning
Okay, good morning. You finish your breakfast?
I have breakfast already
Have you eaten? Okay, very good. What did you eat, Shane,
นะค
for
รับ
your breakfast?
ทำไมน้องเชนไม่คุยกับหนูล่ะ
What did you eat for your breakfast, Shane?
อันนี้
Eat what?
อยากคุยกับน้องเชนทำไม
Huh? What did you eat? You eat. Have you drank your milk already? Have you drink? What did you eat, Shane?
cereal and milk.
What is that? Is that a candy or what?
Yes
Oh, a candy, chocolate.
Chocolate.
Is that chocolate? M&Ms? It looks like M&Ms. Give it to me. Give me some. I want to eat. Huh? Give me some, Shane. I want to eat. I have this biscuit here. You want? You want to eat? Huh? You want to eat, Harry? I have biscuit here. You have to. Okay. Okay,
No.
Item is eating
No.
his breakfast.
ถ้าทำไม่เคย
Harry,
หนูก็เลยไม่กิน
have you drank your milk already, Harry?
Aris, morning.
Drink your milk already? Milk. Have you drank your milk?
อะไร
อะไร
No?
what?
Milk? Have you eat?
I eat rice and
You eat
egg
already?
I eat rice and egg
Okay, we'll give you biscuits, Harry. Come on. You want to eat this one?
I eat rice and egg
Rice and egg. You finished already. Rice and egg. Okay, very good. Harris finished it already and he eat rice with egg. Rice and egg. And how about Item? What did you eat, Item?
I eat noodle, teacher.
What did you eat, Item?
Noodle,
Okay.
teacher.
Noodles?
เดี๋ยวลูก
Noodles? Item, hello. Look at here. Hi. Kemsai is here. Kemsai is coming. So today, Kemsai. Okay. Item, can you smile? Hello, Kemsai. Good morning, Kemsai.
แก้วสายแก้ว
Kemsai.
ใช่ใคร Good morning ยัง
Good morning. Good morning. Can we sing up first? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Good morning. Good morning. I'm fine. Thank you. Good morning, Kitu. You say? Shane? What will be your answer? Good morning, teacher. Good morning, classmate. Okay?
Morning, teacher.
Good morning teacher
Okay. Good morning, teacher. Good morning.
Good morning classmate
Yes, very good.
นี่ไงเนี่ย
Okay. So, are you ready for our math? Are you ready for our math? Our first period is math. Are you ready for our math? Okay. For our math today, okay, I will share this one to you. I will share this one because I cannot see you in the screen. Like, okay. So click this one. I will share this one first. Are you ready for your math? For our math?
นะครับ
Are you ready?
Are you ready
Yes.
Yes
Ready?
หนูเอามือออกไปไม่ได้อ่ะ
Okay, very good. So all of us is ready.
ออกไปไม่ได้
You know, our math yesterday, we have a challenge. Okay, to those who did not finish the first level, you know, yesterday we count from 1 up to 50, one by one. And Shane finished it already. Very good, Shane. And Item also finished it already. Item finished counting already from 1 up to 50. And for today, we have Harwich and Kim Sai who did not finish yet. Okay? You did not finish yet the first level, Kim Sai and Harwich, because you are not here yesterday. You did not attend the Zoom class yesterday. But you need to do it. So you can go to the level 2, okay? Because level 2 is 1 up to 100. You need to count 1 up to 100. That would be our level 2 in our challenge. Okay? So I want to check first if, okay, because you did not do the, okay, I will first do this one. I will first practice counting and writing to 1 up to 100. We will practice this one and then I will go back to you to those who did not finish the level 1, okay? Okay, let us first practice counting. Okay, K2, I want to check if you are already all very good in counting numbers. Okay, now let's go to 1 up to 100. Listen to this one first and then so we can practice counting, okay? I want you to open your mouth, okay? Kim Sai, Harris, Item, and Shane. Okay, Shane, let's all sing together.
Count to 100. Come and count with me.
อะไรกันเนี่ย
What's the problem?
นี่มันอะไรกัน
Okay, just a minute. Okay, just a
Count to 100. Come and count with me. I can count from 1 to 20. I can count from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Count to 100. Come and count with me. Count to 100. Come and count with me. I can count from 20 to 40. I can count from 20 to 40. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Count to 100. Come and count with me. Count to 100. Come and count with me. I can count from 40 to 60. I can count from 40 to 60.
41,
42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Count to 100. Come and count with me. Count to 100. Come and count with me. I can count from 60 to 80. I can count from 60 to 80.
61,
62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Count to 100. Come and count with me. Count to 100. Come and count with me. I can count from 80 to 100. I can count from 84,
86,
85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
Count to 100. Come and count with me.
100.
Count from 1 to 100. I can count from 1 to 100.
Okay. Count from 1 to 100.
4 planes become 8.
You like that? You like that video?
I like.
But
Okay.
What I like.
All of us, let us do it again. Okay, I want to replay because I want all of you open your mouth and all of us open our mouth and sing together. Okay, all of us will let us all sing together. Okay, I will watch your eyes. Okay, okay. Anna also is there. Let us practice counting from 1 up to 100 because we are going to count 1 by 1 from 1 up to 100. Okay,
Good. Bye.
1 up to 100. Let us first count
ไม่มีหวาน
all together. Anna, together. All of us, open your mouth. I will watch your mouth. Okay, 100.
Count to 100, 100. Come and count with me. I can count from 1 to 20. I can count from 1 to 20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Count to 100. Come and count with me. Count to 100. Come and count with me. I can count from 20 to 40. I can count from 20 to 40.
21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40.
Count to 100. Come and count with me. Count to 100. Come and count with me. I can count from 40 to 60. I can count from 40 to 60.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60.
Count to 100. Come and count with me. Count to 100. Come and count with me. I can count from 60 to 80. I can count from 60 to 80.
61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80.
Count to 100. Come and count with me. Count to 100. Come and count with me. I can count from 80 to 100. I can count from 80 to 100.
81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91,
from 1 up to 100? You have to practice, okay? Okay, very good. Now, let us check. Let us continue, and all of us will answer, okay? All of us will fill this missing number. So, you can know how to answer this one. Your worksheet next week. So, look at here. All of you, I want you all to answer this one. I want you all to answer this one. Okay, look at here. Okay, eyes on the screen now. Okay, let us count and fill in the missing number. Okay. Okay, let us start. 1. Okay. 2. Okay. And then 3. Yes. And then we have to fill in here. Number 7, right? Okay. Okay, now number 8. 8. Yes. Okay, 12. Fill in the 12. 12 is missing. Okay, continue. 14. Okay. 15. Okay, fill in the number 15. Continue.
16.
Look at here. Look at my arrow.
17.
16, 17, 18,
18.
yes, 19. Fill in the number 19 and 20. Okay? Now let's go to 21, 22, 23. Okay, fill in 23. And then 20. Next number is 24, 24, 25, 26, 27. Very good. You have to look at the arrow, okay? You have to look at the arrow so I can know that you are following, okay? 29,
30. 31.
31, 32,
16.
yes,
34.
yes,
35.
yes, very good,
36.
yes,
40.
okay, 40, we will fill in 40 because 40
41.
is missing. Now let's go continue. 41, very good.
42.
43, very good, fill in 43.
45.
44, and then, okay, fill in 45. 46, 49, 54. Yes, yes, yes. I am watching your mouth. You are opening your mouth. Okay.
58.
Okay, 58. We need to fill in 58 and then 59. 60. Yes. 1 and then 62. We will fill in 62 like that. 63. Okay, 64. Okay. 65. Okay, then 66. Okay, 66. Okay, then 67. 68. 69. 70. Okay, fill in 70. Next. Next, 72. Yes, next. 73. Okay, Belen, 73. Next. 74. Next. Yes. Yes. 77. Belen, 77. All of you open your mouth. I am watching you. 70. Okay. 8. 79. 80. Okay, next. 81. Very good. 84. Yes. 85. Next. 86. 87. Yes, very good. 88. 89. 90. Okay, we're almost there. 91. 92. 90. 93. Fill in 93. And 94. 95. Okay, next. 96. Very good. 97. 98. 99. So are you ready for your challenge number 2, level 2, 1 up to 100? Are you ready for your challenge next week? Okay, now because yesterday, Kem Sai, who is in here, do the level 1. Harriet, Kem Sai, Harriet. Who else? Bye back. Okay, Kem Sai, Harriet, bye back. You can do the level 1. You need to count first from 1 up to 50. Okay, let us start with, because you know Bye Bang, I have Teacher, Shane, Anna, and Pat already finished. I already write their name there in our board. I put already level 1 done. Okay, if you want to finish this level, you have, because you will go to level 2 next week. Now you have to count Bye Bang. For your level 1, Bye Bang, Habit, and Kem Sai, okay? Now let's go first to Bye Bang. Count from 1 up to 50, Bye Bang. Okay, okay, start Bye Bang in 3, 2, 1. Count Bye Bang from 1 up to 50. 1. Bye Bang, okay?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 50.
It's okay, my bang. Let us. You are finished. 1 up to 50 only. That is level 1. Okay, you are very good, my bang. Next week you will go until 100. Okay, my bang. You are finished in level 1. You are very good. Congratulations. Layla. And then let's go to Harris or Kim Sai. Who will go first? Harris, Kim Sai? Okay, Harris first. Harris or Kim Sai? Okay, let's go, Harris. Harris, count from 1 up to 50, Harris. Come on. Okay, Harris. 3, 2, 1. Start. Harris, count from 1 up to 3. Okay, Harris. 1. Okay, Harris. Okay, 1. Come on, Harris. I cannot hear you, Harris. I cannot open your unmute your audio, Harris. I cannot hear you, Harris. I cannot.
เอาใหม่คือไม่ได้ยิน
Yes. Okay.
1
Yes.
2
Yes.
4
Yes.
10
11
11
12
13
นั่งดีลูกเชื่อจะให้กล้อง
16
น้องห้องถึง50 นะ
17
17
18
19
22
22
23
23
24 26 27 28 29
เรียนแล้วเนี่ยวางไม่ได้ลูก
Very good, Harris.
32
เร็ว
33
34
34 35
35
36
นั่งแล้วห่มผ้าได้อ่ะ
37
37
38
38
39 40
40
Very
41
good.
42
42
43
43
44
44
45
45
46
46
47
47
48
48
49
49
50 เย้เย้แล้วเย้ยกมือเลย
Harris, you finished the first level, the level number 1. Now let's go to Kemsai. Okay, Kemsai, are you ready? 1 up to 50. You have to count, Kemsai. 1 up to 50 and 3, 2, 1, start. 1. Okay.
ฮาริพูดเองก็ได้แต่ฮาริไม่พูดอ่ะใช่ไหม
3.
7
Okay. Yes.
10
Yes.
ไหมครับทำไมเขาเขียนตัวอันตัวเดียวอ่ะ
Okay. Okay. Yes. Very good.
15
Yes.
16
Yes.
17
Very good.
18
Yes.
20
Yes. Very good.
22
Yes.
24
Yes.
25 27 28
Yes.
30
Very good.
32 33
Yes.
34
Very good, Kim Sai.
36
Yes.
37
Yes.
39 40
Very good.
42 43 44 45 46
Yes.
48 49 50
Yes, Kim Sai. Very good. You're all very good kid too. Yes, you all finished the level 1. So you will practice level 2. Okay, 1. Practice counting from 1 up to 100 next week. Okay. Practice. So you will go to level number 2. Okay, Kim Sai. Very good. Yay! Congratulations, T2. To those who are finished their level 1, congratulations. I am so happy for you. Okay. I am so proud of you, T2. So for today, I think this is all for today, and I'll see you again 10:20 for our science. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, and this is all for now. Bye bye. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye. I love you.
ครับ
You have to attend some class, okay, Kem Sai?
ในอีกวิชาหนึ่ง
Okay, bye. Thank you.